Good evening, I'm Daniel Crow. I'm not quite sure how best to describe our next newsreel. What I can say is this: some of you will be shocked, and others might fall down laughing. Why? Because we're heading to comedy clubs in Detroit where gorillas are packing out the seats. No introduction needed. Just take a look at these performers.
My dating profile says tall, dark, hairy. Guess what? Still no swipes.
Zoo visitors stare like I'm strange. Mate, you paid to watch me eat lettuce.
Humans invented TikTok. Gorillas invented throwing poop. Same thing, fewer followers.
I joined a gym. They said no animals. I said, have you seen your members?
I can't.
I joined a gym. They said no animals. I said, have you seen your members?
I do not entertain. I do not entertain.
Now that was comedy gold. I'd buy tickets if those gorillas came anywhere near New England. When we next come back, Kelly's got breaking news in Hollywood about rats and what they really think of us. Sounds like a dirty job if you ask me. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the madness. I'm Daniel Crow, signing out. Betty, how's the weather looking?